One very important part of the autopsy report, and you're going to want to make sure you get this, is the toxicology report. The toxicology report is going to include any traces that they find in the person's system, not only of illegal drugs, but legal drugs. And that can still have a bearing on the case that you're working. Toxicology reports can show inhalation of fumes of toxic materials, and this goes to product liability. If the person died because a contributing factor was the toxic fumes given off by part of the vehicle or something that was being transported in a vehicle, then this is very pertinent information. You may see through the toxicology report elements of pre-existing conditions that the person might have, like liver or kidney disease or heart disease, based on medications found in their bloodstream. And keep this in mind. It's a weird thing, but it happens all the time. A person will have a heart attack and technically be dead at the moment of impact. Now, this is important for a variety of reasons. Many insurance policies, if you read very carefully, only insure live drivers. And we think this is kind of odd or weird. Why is this the case? Because there are plenty of circumstances, it happens all the time, where the person has a heart attack and dies, and because they're no longer controlling the vehicle, then you have the impact. So look at the autopsy report and try and look specifically at causes of death. And if the death was caused by a heart attack, maybe there will be a way to determine if that happened before or after the point of impact.